Okay, say hee hee ha ha ha. Okay, ready? Go. Hee hee ha ha ha. Can you say that? What's your name?
Treat.
How old are you?
5.
4. Say 2.
2. Daddy popcorn. Bye, mommy.
Yeah, that's the one we had last night. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
You my sweet boy.
Big boy.
Big boy.
Big boy.
Yes, you are. Are we in kindergarten?
Very tender.
Sweet. Sweet.